a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.